Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Choctaw County in central Mississippi, Oktibbeha County in northeastern Mississippi, northern Winston County in east central Mississippi, southwestern Lowndes County in northeastern Mississippi, until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near McMillan, or 8 miles northwest of Louisville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Craig Springs around 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Longview around 10:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Starkville and Oktok around 10:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sessoms around 10:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Van Oak around 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Sturgis and Artesia. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for central, northeastern, and east central Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.